Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change password on Palmpay. Here's how you can change it quickly. First of all, open the Palmpay app on your phone and log in using your current credentials. Next, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the app. Then select Settings and tap Palmpay PIN. Under Palmpay PIN, select Change Password or Change PIN. Enter your current password, then type and confirm your new password. Finally, tap Confirm to save your new password. Make sure it's strong but something you can remember. And that's it. Your Palmpay password is updated. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.